Direwolves are back. For over 10,000 years, the direwolf was lost to time. One of the most iconic predators of the Ice Age. More massive than today's grey wolves. With stronger jaws, broader skulls, and unmatched ferocity. Once roaming from Canada to Bolivia, they vanished alongside the mammoths and saber-toothed cats. Until now. But now, 3 pups were born in the US. Romulus, Remus, and Colisi. They look like direwolves. They act like direwolves. But they were made in a lab. This is not cloning. It's not fossil resurrection. It's a radical new branch of science, de-extinction through genetic engineering. A team at Colossal Biosciences, a company also working on reviving the woolly mammoth and dodo, analyzed the DNA of ancient direwolf remains. A 13,000-year-old tooth and a 72,000-year-old skull fragment. From this data, they identified 20 key traits that separated the direwolf from the modern grey wolf. Stronger bones, larger skulls, pale fur, distinct behaviors, and more. They then used CRISPR gene editing to modify 14 specific genes in grey wolf embryos, implanting those embryos into domestic dog surrogates. What emerged were 3 pups, engineered to closely resemble direwolves in both appearance and instinct. They live now in a sprawling, protected preserve, being studied, monitored, and carefully raised. Scientists have already observed unique behaviors, patterns of howling, stalking, and communication that align more with extinct direwolf models than with modern wolf packs. But here's the controversy. Many experts say these aren't true direwolves. They are modified grey wolves with ancient features. And that raises some serious ethical and scientific questions. Are we really reviving a species? Or are we creating something entirely new? And even more importantly, should we be doing this at all? Proponents argue it's a powerful tool for conservation, that the same tech could protect endangered species or repair broken ecosystems. Opponents fear unintended consequences, ecological risks, and blurred moral boundaries. This is the first step in a bigger plan. Colossal is already working on reviving the woolly mammoth to restore Arctic ecosystems, bringing back the dodo to rewild island habitats, resurrecting the Tasmanian tiger, lost just a century ago. The line between past and present is vanishing. Nature's timeline is no longer fixed. And we now have the power to re-edit history. If you found this as mind-blowing as we did, drop a like to support the science. Subscribe for more stories at the edge of nature, genetics, and the future. And let's talk in the comments. Would you bring extinct species back to life? Which one? And should we even try? Thanks for watching. And remember, the past isn't dead. It's just waiting for us to bring it back.